Hello and welcome back, my favorite coder cats and coder kittens. As usual, this is Becca going by Nightcat or Nightcat's Meow most places online, occasionally Gamer Self if I happen to be on the right platforms. As you can tell, my mic problem is resolved. Yay! And we're back with another week of Coder Kitty Decoded. Without further ado, since this is supposed to be the short and sweet version of things, we're going to cover two commands this time: get position and set position. So we're going to do that. Vector, since it's going to be dealing in 3 coordinates. Place. Place equals llGetPos, short for get position. Say on channel 0, which is open chat. Convert to a string, place. On touch start, we're going to automatically revert to the location set with place, with set position, place. In the case of get position, it returns a vector, which is a 3-point coordinate, as you can see right here, 14.8 by 46.28 by 4015, because we're really high up in the air. A set position, you just have to feed it any vector like the one we just created there, and they will be relative coordinates within a sim. For example, I have moved the box, I click it, it returns to its original position. The caveat to set position is it can only move up to 10 meters. So if you have something that needs to go farther than 10 meters, pretty sure that's farther. You see, it can only go that far. I do it again, it moves another 10 meters to where it's going. Do it again, another 10 meters. Do it again. It's in proper position. That is the simple wonder of get position and set position, as well as the limitations of set position. So, since these are meant to be short and sweet, an opportunity to just quickly learn the syntax and usage of specific commands, that will wrap up this week's Coder Kitty Decoded. Please make sure to tune in every Tuesday by noon Eastern Standard Time, barring significant complications, wherein I will have the next Coder Kitties workshop, where every lesson is a project, every project is a lesson, and I go much more in depth into how to use these commands. Playlists for both Coder Kitty Decoded and Coder Kitties Workshop will be available in the description, as well as a link to my Discord server. That's a place where announcements get made, requests for tutorials, anything that y'all need. It's a good place to go. Make sure that I stay on top of it. So, see you all next week. Meow meow.